Kannadigas, which was looted by this 40% commission Sarkara. And I can say I never imagined that not only silver lamps of 963 silver lamps, but also 1.82 crore cash was also seized. Not only this, 37 lakh of freebies were also seized. Not only this, I am surprised that how low BJP and their ministers can fall. 45 lakh rupees of drugs. 45 lakh rupees of drugs was also seized from the minister's premise, from his factory. Till now, in Karnataka, 82 crore rupees worth in cash, 19.6 crore rupees of freebies, 56 crore rupees of liquor, 16 crore rupees of drugs, 73 crore rupees of gold, and 4.2 crore rupees of silver was already seized. Still 16 days to go in election. Total money seized by Election Commission till April 21st is 253 crore. And this is whose money? This is 6.5 crore Kannadigas money, which was now used in election. I would like to show you one news cutting from 2021. In this news cutting, one corrupt minister who is facing corruption charges is trying to promote another for chief minister. You can see this. In this news cutting, former minister K. Ishwarappa, who is also facing corruption charges, in public meeting in year 2021, he was telling that Mr. Nirani is going to become chief minister. Thus, for BJP, now chief minister full form is corrupt more. For BJP, CM means more corruption, corrupt more. In this regard, we had very small 3 specific questions. Number 1, we demand Election Commission should immediately disqualify Mr. Nirani to contest when not only silver, not only cash, not only freebies, but drugs are also getting seized from his premise, from his factory. We demand that immediately Mr. Murugesh Nirani's candidature should be immediately cancelled. He should not be allowed, he should be disqualified to contest this election. Number 2, the money which belongs to 6.5 crore Kannadigas and collected by 40% commission Sarkara is now used in the election process. Why ED? Why CBI? Why SFIO? Why DRI? Because drugs are also here. Why DRI? Why income tax are not taking cognizance of all these issues and start the investigation? Is ED CBI doesn't know the flight connections from Delhi to Bangalore? If they are not aware, we are ready to book their flights also. We will let them know what was the flight connection from Delhi to Bangalore. So why they are not taking cognizance? Still election is 16 days ahead. Still now, till 21st of April, 253 crore rupees of gold, silver, alcohol, drugs, freebies, cash. I can never imagine that there is a drugs also from a sitting minister of BJP from his premise. The police is seizing the drugs, but still he is allowed to contest the election. He should be immediately disqualified. DRI, your office from Bombay, you are more nearer to Bangalore. Why don't you take cognizance of this and start investigation of all these things from whose premise the drugs are also confiscated? We want that for BJP, now CM means corrupt more, corruption more is the full form of BJP, and that is indicated by this news of 2021, where one minister who is facing corruption charges is promoting the other super corrupt to be CM. Like, if they are all corrupt, the most corrupt, the corruption more is going to be CM. That is evident from this particular statement of Mr. Ishwarappa, which he gave in 2021. So friends, enough is enough. People of Karnataka already decided that they are going to get Congress government in place this time. But I am surprised that after model code of conduct also, people are involved in corrupt practices, and none other than the sitting BJP ministers holding portfolios like small and large and medium scale industries. And he is a habitual corrupt person. In 2013, his name was there in the land grab scandal. So he is a habitual corrupt, not only from his premise, gold, silver, money, cash, freebies, but drugs are also seized. Election Commission should immediately disqualify such a person to contest the MLA election. Now for BJP, I can say that Karnataka had decided that कर्नाटक के लोग बोले बार बार अब की बार नहीं चाहिए भ्रष्ट भाजपा सरकार. People of Karnataka are saying again and again that we don't require this 40% corrupt government which is involved in all sort of corruptions. So that's all from my side. I am open for questions if you have any. First of all on this subject, and thereafter we will take other issues. You want to? No. Anything? Yes, definitely. Why not? Freebies, gold, silver, cash, and not only this, drugs. Drugs are also seized. And for same person, what Mr. Ishwarappa, who is facing a severe corruption charges, who was thrown out of cabinet because of corruption charges, he is saying that the Murugesh Nirani is going to be the next chief minister. That is not my words. Because for BJP, CM means corruption more. We don't require that type of government. We are going to file all complaints to Election Commission to disqualify such a person who is not only involved in corrupt practices, but from his premise, the drugs are also seized. That is not my report. They are saying drugs worth of rupees 45.25, 45,25,000 rupees of drugs were also seized from his premise. So, so BJP asked that where is the evidence? So I am giving you that these evidence, there is a police is having that particular 963 silver lamps that was confiscated by police. The cash was confiscated by police. The freebies were confiscated by police. The drugs was confiscated by police. So the evidence is with the police. I request the electoral chief CEO of Election Office of Karnataka that, dear sir, such a person whose name was involved in this type of activity, who is a habitual corrupt person, who is having a history of land grab, from whose premise we are getting now drugs also. We demand that such type of person doesn't have any place in democracy. He should be immediately disqualified from contesting the assembly election. And this is the BJP's model, that one corrupt person promotes other. So for BJP, CM means corruption more. And we seek answers to our questions that DRI, SFIO, CBI, ED, income tax. आपको अगर बेंगलुरु का रास्ता नहीं पता है तो हम आपका दिल्ली से टिकट करा देते हैं. आइए, come investigate such a corrupt people whose corruption is never ending. Not only when they were doing corruption when they were in power, but after model code of conduct also their corrupt practices are continued. So that is our demand. Number one, we want disqualification of such a corrupt person like Mr. Murugesh Nirani. Number two, we demand that investigation agencies should take cognizance of this and immediately start investigation, because there is a severe matter of drug confiscation. And last but not least, we ask a question, because BJP is nowadays busy in deciding CM. For them, CM means corruption more. Whomsoever is, everybody is corrupt in BJP, but who is most corrupt, they will give the position of CM, because for them, the CM means the corruption more. Earlier also we had an evidences that how the 40% commission money is used to influence the voters, is used to influence the election process. So we demand Election Commission should come out and make a second example by disqualifying such a corrupt person. Thank you very much.